Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see about how to utilize scaffolding feature in .NET 6 MVC application. Agenda for this video is what is scaffolding. Then we are going to create new MVC project to learn about scaffolding. Okay, first of all, what is scaffolding? Scaffolding means this feature generates controller with view with all code implemented to perform CRUD operations. In our last 4 to 5 videos, we learned about how to perform CRUD operation by our own code, but scaffolding creates auto-generated code to perform CRUD operations. Let's see how to do that. Let's open the Visual Studio. This in the NET6 MVC new project, we already learned how to implement CRUD operation. We don't want to disturb that existing code, so we are going to create a new MVC project to run scaffolding. Let's do that. Right click, add new project. Right, search for MVC. Next, use .NET 6.0 create. Now we are going to install required Nickel packages. Right click, manage Nickel packages. Microsoft Editing Framework 4. Sorry. Then Editing Framework 4.SQL Server. Sorry. Search for tools. Editing Framework for tools. Sorry. Again, Editing Framework 4 for .design. Sorry. Yeah, install everything. Okay. Let's build this project alone. Now we need to add required project references. We need project reference of these entities because we are going to use this employee entity. So we need this reference. Add project reference to entities as well as we need utilities. Now right click on the controller folder, add controller. Till now we use this first option empty, but now we are going to use MVC controller with wheels controller and wheels using entity. We choose an entity, it automatically create controller and wheel. That is the meaning of this option. And we need to choose the model, for which model we are going to perform scaffolding. So we can choose employee, we can choose the context, employee context. We can provide some controller name. We can leave as it is employee controller. Add. Yeah. It creates some controller. See, controller code automatically generated. Also, look into the views folder. Inside views folder, that employees views also created. Create.cs HTML and delete.cs HTML and editors.cs HTML, edit.cs HTML. Everything created. Okay, let's see what code is that employee controller. For our purpose, we created some repository, then we call that repository using dependency injection. But here, scaffolding, that option is not in the middle. It's simply calling the entity directly. We calling the entity and returning it. It is simply calling a single employee and returning it. Or create adding an employee into the context. Let's run the application. We need to set it as setup startup project. Let us start a project. This one. Let's call that controller name employee controller. Employees. That means if you have not registered this, register this one. How to do that? But program.cs. You already know how to register dependencies. Filter dot services dot add DB context. The DB context name is DB context. Let's build the solution. And update one. And success. This screen not developed by us. In our previous sessions, we developed using our own code, but this studio generates the scaffolding code for us. This is the listing screen. It automatically generates some code by the grid as well as edit details editor. So while clicking, it performs some validations. It also handled by scaffolding. Go back. We have some details screen not implemented by our code, but whenever we are using the scaffolding, definitely we will get this detail screen as well. In screen and edit screen, detail screen, delete and create links. This 4 to 5 CSS schema automatically generated. In our last 4 to 5 videos, we learned how to create thread operations using some of our own code. But scaffolding reduces that work. But it is not recommended to use scaffolding. It is recommended to use our own code only. In this video, I am telling you this is one feature of scaffolding. That's it. I am not recommending to use scaffolding. Thanks for watching.